Royals, what's up? I'm yours truly, King Chris. Welcome back to the conversation. This conversation takes us to New York. The criminal case against a white woman recorded on video calling the police to claim that a black bird watcher was threatening her life in New York Central Park. The charges was dropped on Tuesday.
Dialing 911.
Please call the cops. Please call the cops.
I'm going to tell them there's an African-American man threatening my life.
Please tell them whatever you like.
There is an African-American man. I'm in Central Park. He's recording me and threatening myself and my dog. I'm sorry, I can't hear you either. I'm being threatened by a man in the ramble. Please send the cops immediately. I'm in Central.
Prosecutors in Manhattan Supreme Court, the main trial court, announced that they were no longer pursuing the misdemeanor charges against Amy Cooper, who falsely accused reporting an incident in the third degree. So she goes to therapy, sit down and talk about the issues and learn more about it. And supposedly the therapy has changed her racist ways. I'm pretty sure it has not. She will be a racist and she will continue to be a racist. And they will continue to do these acts and they will continue it because the law never holds them to what they do. They never hold them to accountability. She has a slap on the hand. And she only apologized, as I always tell you, they apologize when they have something to lose. She lost her job. She knew that she probably was going to lose her job, so she apologized. And that's supposed to make it okay. That's supposed to make it all right. American court system is so biased. They don't care about black people, and they won't ever start caring about black people. And these little demons will continue to do what they do because they know that they can get away with it. All these racist people stick beside each other. That's that. And when it comes to black and brown skinned people and you go to court for the smallest and the simplest thing, you will serve the max amount of time they can give you. Royals, that is your conversation. Until we meet again, my black and brown skinned people, remember, stay up, never down. I love you guys so much. May God bless.